Hello friends, this is Venu. In this video I am explaining about how to download Eclipse and how to install this Scala and how to configure Hadoop, that means how to configure this Hadoop and Spark and everything in Eclipse. It's easy. Okay, first of all go to this website and click download Eclipse from Eclipse website. Click on this link. Okay, click on my system version is 64. If you don't know your system version, I automatically will get this error. Then it is 64 version. In case you didn't get this 64, it is 32. Otherwise, also. Okay, this is 64. Okay, so download this 64-bit version and click on this download simply. Okay, this is link and save it. I hope it takes little time. Otherwise, click on this link. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. I am holding this video temporarily. Thank you. And finally got this. I have downloaded. Copy this one, and I am explaining everything in work folder. Keep anywhere. Okay, and paste in this work folder. That means in this work folder I am installing both Hadoop, Spark and Scoop, everything. And that's why you can keep here. Okay, this is Eclipse. I have already copied. And next, simply extract this file. Okay, done. This is Eclipse. Okay, now main task is completed, but unfortunately then what should you do? To be frankly, you can directly install and work from here. It's not a problem. If you click this one, Eclipse, manually you have to click on this link. Okay, but I hope it's much a headache for you. That's why what should I do? Simply if you enter this one IPSE, you will get like this. There is no Eclipse icon to click on this. Okay, that's why what should you do? Okay, that's why you have to configure like this. I have already prepared a documentation. This is Eclipse. Okay, first of all, download this file from this link. Okay, and put somewhere else. I am using like I am copying this file into work folder. Extract like this. This is command. What should you do in CLI mode? Simply okay, I have already copied to this folder. This is I am preparing documentation for you. Okay, this is important to configure. For example, if you don't know Eclipse, ECLIPSE, you didn't get here. That's why manually you have to go to Eclipse folder and then you have to click on this link. It's much headache. It's not convenient for you. That's why what should I do? Simply paste here. It's nothing but creating account. Enter a password. Your system password it is. Then you have to copy this one, paste this one. Basically, please note this is too important. Execution exec means this is the path. Okay, so that you have to simply copy this one and paste here. Okay, and icon, to display here your icon is required this path, icon path. Where is this? This is icon path. Copy this. Oh, sorry. This is copy and paste here. Okay. Finally, no need to change everything. Everything is common. In case if you search in the search for Eclipse, you will get it. Okay, that's why. And simply copy this one. Open this one and paste here. Simple. Save it. Control S. Close it. That's it. Eclipse is installed. Okay, if you want to search, click on eclipse. You got it. That's it. Okay, by default it's creating a workspace directory here. You can check here. Just now it's installing. Okay, and so Eclipse part installed. First time when you installing this one, you will get a notification like this is tutorials to learn everything, but as of now I am not explaining about it. Simply click on close, and then what next? Install Scala. The main business, Scala is mandatory to implement Spark. That's why I am installing Scala plugin. First of all, before you go to it, check updation. In case it's old version and required something plugins, automatically it's check this updates, and automatically it will install. Okay, that's why it's checking these updates. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please wait. Yes, required this one. That's why next, and accept and finish. Wait 5 minutes. Within these 5 minutes it will install this plugin. After 10 minutes it's installed completely. After install any plugin, it is mandatory, you have to restart your Eclipse. Okay, and just now I prepared a documentation to install plugin. This is the process. Please check and update this one. Help, check for updates, next, accept conditions and finish. Okay, and the second one, how to install. Oh, done, install properly. Now how to install Scala. Scala is installed or not, I don't know. Click on this link. Other Scala, Scala. No, didn't install. That's why go to help, and you can follow this documentation. Go to help and Eclipse Eclipse marketplace, help, Eclipse marketplace, and then find it is Scala. Find Scala, install Scala. Search, press enter. Scala IDE 4.2. Okay, scroll down. Scala IDE 4.2. Confirm. confirm and accept and finish. This also take around 5 minutes. Please wait. Finally, I installed this Eclipse, that means Scala. That's why I need to restart. Okay, now let me test. I'm creating a maven project. One second. Once again I restarted this Eclipse. That's why I got this problem. Basically, we detected more settings about Scala IDE plugin. That's why simply click yes and use recommended. Click. That's it. Automatically it will take care of. Okay. And after this, first of all, Scala and Scala is successfully installed in this Eclipse. Okay. First of all, I hope everyone knows Java, how to create maven project. This is maven project. Click on this link, and it is build tool. Alternatively, you can use SBT as well. You have to create your wish. Spark applications. Okay. Finally, confirm. Wait 5 minutes. Done. Project is successfully completed. And I hope you know this is package, and if you want to rename this Java, click on it and refactor, rename Scala. Okay, it is basics. I hope everyone knows it. Okay, if you want to create some application, for example, hello world program, not hello, just hello world, to execute something, right click and Scala, create Scala object, and next, and create why you got this error. It is not Scala object. Why? Most of the followers are hello world. If I enter this one, it's not allowing. Why? Most of the students are requesting me, what is this, asking me, what is this question, why I am unable to create. The main reason is it is created, but it is not Scala nature. That's why right click it and go to configure, right click and add it. Add Scala nature. This is too important. Okay. Okay, in document also I will include. Okay, now you can able to check here Scala. Okay, otherwise go to configure and add Scala method. Okay, now you can able to do everything. You can find here, you can find Scala, this one also, library containers also. That's why now you can able to create anything. And if you are implementing Spark, instead of 211, I highly recommend go to properties, and this one is 210 I recommend. Right, wait 1 minute, automatically change this one. Okay, then if you want to create a program, click on package, right click and create new object. Now you can create. Done. Now you can able to create anything. Okay. I hope within this time Scala version also changed. Okay, it is 2.106 stable version. Okay, now it's successfully completed a Scala installation and created a program, and I hope you know everyone. Okay, 1 second, I got a call. Okay, thank you. And okay, first of all, I hope you know how to create this one. In Java also we are using main method. Okay, here you can define diff and this one. This is main method. You have to go figure like this. You can execute anything like this. Sorry. If you enter this one, automatically you will get output here. This is hello world. Done. Successfully executed. Okay, and in my next program I will explain about hello world program. Okay, and that means word count program. After that, simply before digging to Spark applications, I highly recommend you have to configure some dependencies. Go to POM. I hope if you know Java, no, it's not mandatory to explain this. I hope you can understand. Okay, go to, you have to include 4 important repositories, which is repositories, and I'm using Scala 2.6 I think, and that's why it is, sorry, Scala library 2.10 I think. This is 2.6. Okay, click on this link and download and put it here. It is Scala, and my Spark version .272. So and go to Hadoop common and 3.72 latest version it is, and include this dependency also. Sorry, this. Okay, and similarly Spark version Spark core I'm using 210, in case 211 and this one it is latest version, and my Spark version same. This 2.6, so that copy this one. Okay, this one Spark 1 and Spark core. Okay, Spark SQL also highly recommendable. Okay, depends on your Hadoop and Spark version. You have to change these values, and later I will explain Spark streaming also. That so go to Spark SQL Spark streaming. Okay, another leap. Spark streaming, same command, and go to dependency and save it. That's it. Almost all Hadoop these dependencies installed. In my next video I will explain about word count job. Okay, thank you very much, and if you have any comment, any doubts, comment below. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.